Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. I'm going to test few fruit drink hacks from Instagram Reels and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. The concept behind today's drinks are to utilize the whole fruit and waste as less as possible. As far as I know, this concept went viral on Instagram from a juice center in Bangalore called Eat Raja. If any of you have visited Eat Raja, definitely comment below and tell me your experience. For a first viral drink, I have one muskmelon. I'm going to slice it from one side. Then using an ice cream scooper or a spoon, remove all the seeds. Now remove the pulp. It took me approximately 6 minutes to remove all the pulp. Now add this pulp into the blender. To that add 1/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons fresh cream and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Blend it into smooth consistency. Add it to the muskmelon shell, which becomes our natural bowl. You can then decorate it however you like. Since I had to recreate the same drink, I drizzled fresh cream, chopped nuts and tutti frutti. It looks beautiful. मन ही नहीं करा खराब करने का, but let's taste it now. I don't really like to eat muskmelon as a fruit, but this milkshake is so good. It's not overly sweet with a hint of vanilla. It's definitely going to be my next favorite milkshake. This viral muskmelon drink was a big success. The next hack looks super fun. I couldn't find a round and chodusa watermelon like them, so I have a medium-sized watermelon. Cut on one side into a square shape like so. It's slightly difficult. You need to apply a lot of pressure. I was almost going to cut off my finger, so be very careful while trying it. But the slice comes off easily and it kind of looks like that video. Now using a hand blender, whisk inside the watermelon. It gets a bit messy, but as I said, it's really fun. Since the watermelon was bigger in size, I couldn't whisk ekdam niche se, but it's fine. Now add ice cubes and 1 small bottle of Yakult. Mix and let's taste it. Also, yes, I'm shooting on my window grill, thoda natural feel dene. Coming back to the taste, I don't know why I never tried this combination. It's really good and super refreshing. It has a nice khatta meetha taste, which I really like, and this was also a success. The next viral drink is chili guava shots. So guava, that is Peru, is my mom's absolute favorite, so I had to try it. Just like the muskmelon, I'm going to cut the end of the guava. Then scoop out the pulp. This time I'm using a small scooper. Then add this pulp into a blender with 6 to 7 ice cubes and blend it into smooth consistency. I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Then dip the guava bowl we made into it. Pour the juice. Sprinkle the chili powder mix and just enjoy. It looks great, but if you drink it directly without spoon or a straw, it will taste more of the salt and chili powder mix than the juice. Or maybe I did a heavy coating. I don't know, but there's something off. Or maybe the guava itself had no taste. But today for me, this viral recipe was a 50-50. For the tender coconut shake, बहुत मुश्किल से my dad removed the pulp and shaped the coconut shell. Add the pulp in the blender. Since I used the thick malai, it wasn't blending, so I added a bit of water to blend it. Then I added 1 cup of milk, few pieces of cashew nut, and then blended it again to give a smooth consistency. Add it into the shell. Garnish it with chopped nuts, cinnamon stick, and sweet cherry. Let's taste it now. It looks very beautiful. It definitely tastes amazing. It's so creamy and super light at the same time. It literally tastes like the natural tender coconut ice cream, which I am a huge fan of. So this viral drink was a big hit. For the next drink, cut a big watermelon into half. Then scoop out the pulp of 1/2. I guess they didn't remove the seeds, but I will. Nahi to I feel the juice will become slightly bitter. Add it into the blender. Add 1/2 cup of ice, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup milk and blend. In the watermelon skin bowl, add 1/4 cup of chopped watermelon cubes. Then add the juice. Garnish it with chopped nuts and fresh cream. Let's taste it. The taste is nice. It's more of a juice than a milkshake. I really like the Yakult one way more than this, but it's decent. And this viral recipe was also a success. Cut 1 papaya in half. Then they showed a great hack to remove the pulp. Make slits like so. Then using a knife, give a cut from the edges. And then just push it slightly using a spoon. It works beautifully. Now transfer all this pulp in a bowl. Remove any remaining pulp you see. Now add it into a blender. Add 1 banana, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, and then blend. Now add it into our nature's bowl. For garnish, place a slice of banana and 2 teaspoons of soaked sabja around it. I soaked it for only 10 minutes. The taste is super delicious. I know it's very uncommon, but papaya is literally my favorite fruit, so I love this recipe. You should definitely give this healthy recipe a try. Try these fun and beautiful looking drink hacks and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Priya Dhiman, Shri Saran, Nadira Abdul Rashid, Khushi Gupta and Mahek Bhai. If you want to shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.